Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is sign conventions for spherical lenses. Dear students, sign conventions are used for measuring the various distances or heights in ray diagram of spherical lenses. The sign conventions for spherical lenses are very similar to the sign conventions for spherical mirrors, which we have already studied. The only difference is that all the distances in lenses are measured from the optical center of the lens instead of pole in case of spherical mirrors. According to sign conventions of spherical lenses, the object is always placed on the left side of the lens so that the direction of the light is from left to right. Dear students, this is a convex lens here. This straight line is its principal axis and this center point is its optical center. Object is always placed on the left side of the lens. This is AB is the object. It is always placed on the left side of the lens so that the direction of the light is from left to right. Direction of the light is from left to right. All the distances parallel to the principal axis of the lens are measured from the optical center of the lens. तमाम डिस्टेंसेस जो होती हैं इनको ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से मेजर किया जाता है. यानी अगर ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस मेजर करनी हो या इमेज डिस्टेंस मेजर करनी हो या फोकल लेंथ मेजर करनी हो तो इन तमाम डिस्टेंसेस को ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से मेजर किया जाता है. The distances measured in the direction of incidental light are taken as positive. Incidental light की डायरेक्शन में जो डिस्टेंसेस मेजर की जाती हैं इनको एज पॉजिटिव में मेजर किया जाता है. This light comes from left to right. So in this direction, at this side, distances are measured as positive. The distances measured against the incidental light, against the direction of incidental light are taken as negative. Incidental light की अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जो डिस्टेंसेस होती हैं इनको नेगेटिव में मेजर किया जाता है. AB is the object. It is placed in the opposite direction of incidental light. So, object distance U is always negative. Object distance U is always negative. The heights measured upward and perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as positive. Upward direction में जो heights होती हैं वो as positive measure की जाती है. Object height is always positive because it lies above the principal axis. This is the object AB. AB is the object. It is held at the principal axis of the lens. So, object height is always taken as positive. The height is measured downward and perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as negative. Downward direction में जो heights होती हैं इनको as negative measure किया जाता है. These are taken as negative. The focal length of a convex lens is always positive and the focal length of a concave lens is always negative. These are the sign conventions for spherical mirrors. Now lens formula. A formula which gives the relationship between image distance V, object distance U and focal length f of a lens is known as lens formula. Lens formula is written as 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by f. This lens formula is applied for both types of lenses. Dear students, हमने स्फेरिकल मिरर्स में मिरर फार्मूला पढ़ी है. मिरर फार्मूला और लेंस फार्मूला में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस और इमेज डिस्टेंस के दरमियान सिर्फ साइन का फ़र्क है. द लेंस फार्मूला डिफर फ्रॉम द मिरर फार्मूला ओनली इन द साइन बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस एंड इमेज डिस्टेंस. मिरर फार्मूला में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस और इमेज डिस्टेंस के दरमियान पॉजिटिव साइन होता है, प्लस होता है, लेकिन यहाँ लेंस फार्मूला में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस और इमेज डिस्टेंस के दरमियान माइनस साइन होता है। दिस इज द लेंस फार्मूला। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।